the moment you hear the voice, it takes you back to the 80s. Ishq Sufiana, I would say, is more contemporary, and I loved performing the song. Bappida is just incredible, yeah. That you'd think of and say, oh, 80s ke gaano mein aisa hota tha. You see that in Ooh La La. So I think that's fantastic. Right. It is more a celebration of life. Really celebrated displaying my sexuality. I'm very grateful to Milan and Ekta for having given me this opportunity. I've given it my all. Upar wale ne जिंदगी एक दी है तो दो बार क्या सोचना. I've just had a blast doing this character. You like sex, I am sex. Take it or leave it. Ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la. तू है मेरी fantasy. छूना ना छूना ना, छूना ना छूना ना. अब मैं जवा हो गई. अरे 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 ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la.
We have with us one of my favorite actresses, one of the actresses who has been making waves all over, winning awards across the board. And since the time the promos of the Dirty Picture have come about, that's the next picture, there's a collective gasp from men all over, and at the same time, many a men, they are skipping heartbeats as well. Vidya Balan, wonderful to have you back on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you so much.
How is the music of the Dirty Picture different from your other movies?
Firstly, the Dirty Picture is based in the 80s. Right. So the music has the flavor of the music of the 80s. If you hear Ooh La La, which has become so popular, I think you'll get a whiff of that. Sure. Anyway. Ooh La La, ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la. Tu hai meri fantasy. Then there are the other tracks also. Ishq Sufiana, I would say, is more contemporary. Though Ooh La La is also a contemporary 80s song. I think they've managed it quite beautifully, contemporized an 80s tune, Sure. Probably the arrangement or the Instrumentation must have been taken care of. I'm not too technically sound on these things, but I think that's what they've managed. Ishq Sufiana is also, getting a great response from people. That's the more romantic ballad kind of song. Yeah. And then there's Honeymoon Ki Raat Hu Main. I love the lyrics. Right. And I love performing the song. And then you have to hear Twinkle Twinkle. So I think it's basically... So I think it's just got a really kick-ass, fun, really spunky track. That's what I love. And, I am going to perform for the first time today on stage in Bombay. There is a little bit of nervousness, but I'm hoping to enjoy it because I love the song Ooh La La and I love the picturization. So, inshallah, I hope everyone enjoys the performance. Ooh La La, ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, tu hai meri fantasy. Chuna na chuna na, chuna na chuna na, ab main jawaa ho gayi.
Bappida's voice is sounding like out of this world.
Bappida is just incredible, yeah. Firstly, I'm so glad that Milan used Bappida's voice. And, it's the moment you hear the voice, it takes you back to the 80s. Yeah. And his range, his versatility, his energy, it's just... He's supremely talented. I'd never thought that I'd actually get to perform on a Bappida song. I think Shreya and Bappida have sung the song beautifully, but I must say that
choreographer.
Pony Verma has done an excellent job. Everything that you'd think of and say, 80s ke gaano mein aisa hota tha. You see that in Ooh La La. So I think that's fantastic. Right. She's from dancing amidst pots, rolling down slopes, oranges what have you. Think about it and it's all there. So I think she's done a great job. And of course Milan, whose baby it is really, he is just something else. Also in this film, I think especially in Ooh La La itself, I've worn all kinds of costumes, and it's been fun. Niharika Khan has done a fabulous job. We've had to work a lot on it because to get the flavor of the 80s right, and yet not make it look like a caricature or anything of the sort. but we've just had a ball, you know, in terms of the colors, in terms of the fabrics, the prints, the cuts, everything, the styles. And of course, my favorite is the when we roll down the slope, that little half sari that I've worn, the printed orange. I think it's just out of this world.
Silk Smitha, she just had a certain persona. You know, she was a fantasy of, I think, maybe the 80s of I think almost the entire country in many ways, because you didn't have any options in terms of other options of entertainment per se. Now when you are doing when you just portraying her in this film, generally we've seen a different sort of cinema from you. And you come over here, and the persona that you're putting up, it's a very convincing persona. You know, I'll put it truthfully. It's like the voluptuousness that you associate with this character, the way you've exemplified, and we've not seen this performance from such sort of performance from you ever, in fact, before.
I'm very, very flattered, I must say. Thank you very much. But I think that is really...
The body language is spot on. I think that was very, very crucial.
But I think I've enjoyed it. I've really celebrated displaying my sexuality like that. But as an actor, I think that is really what I look forward to doing something different with every role. Living a completely different person from who I am and from who I've played before. So I'm very grateful to Milan and Ekta for having given me this opportunity. And I've given it my all. I've really put myself out there. So I hope people really connect with the Silk of our film, who is not necessarily Silk Smitha, but the Silk of our film, and I hope they enjoy the film.
Fantastic. The brother is angry.
आप सिल्क हो ना?
मुझे जो चाहिए उसका सिर्फ को ही आता है.
Ekta Kapoor has said that you'll be winning a national award for this performance. Now, when you read about Silk Smitha's life, there's a tragic element to her life as well. The way she just committed suicide and other angles. The kind of range that you have in terms of emotional range that you have, we've seen it. I think No One Killed Jessica recently. In recent times, Pi is definitely there. That is something that I think still has not come out in the promos. We're still seeing the glamour aspect of it, but that must be there, and that must be where national award is coming for.
I hope it's firstly, thank you very much for even saying that. I just, like I said, I hope people connect with Silk. In our film, I will say there is, of course, a certain tragic element to it, but it is more a celebration of life. It is more a celebration of a person who was so bold, who believed that ऊपर वाले ने जिंदगी एक दी है तो दो बार क्या सोचना. That was her funda in life. So, you know, it's, for me, truly, this is the kind of kaleidoscope that I couldn't have imagined. There is every possible emotion. I feel like I've played 5 different people. The tragic side to it is a part of it. It's not it.
Definitely.
So I think it'll be the most colorful person I've played.
You know, I'm a Vidya Balan fan. I have to admit that, in terms of the range that she has.
Thank you.
You know, now a few things about your character in this film that we've been seeing so far. Now एक गाना मेरे ख्याल से शायद remix करके आप लोग डाल सकते थे कि आँखियों से गोली मारे, because I think your eyes are working, the twirling of the lips is working. How did you manage all those gesticulations?
I think it's in every woman, really. We know how to woo, we know how to flirt, we know how to seduce. It's just that a lot of times we're too shy to, we're too inhibited to let that show. But as an actor, when you get the right opportunity to, you just let go, you just let loose. I've just had a blast doing this character. It's so over the top. It's in your face sexuality. But what is most interesting for me about Silk is the fact that she is far beyond the body. The boldness, what you see in the promos is about the clothes and about the body and the way she displays, how she wears her sexuality on her sleeve. But I really think the film is far beyond that. It's about the person. It's about her attitude. You know, which you see in the dialogues, which you see in her choices that she makes in the film. So I think that's what makes her an interesting person for me. Everyone's talking about, oh, for you it must have been a lot to wear those clothes. And that's just one aspect of it. It's her personality, she was such a firebrand. I think she was way ahead of her time.
Sure.
You know, at a time when this could have been seen as exploitation. And yes, the way people shot her and things like that, it was very exploitative in a certain sense.
Right.
But at the same time, I think the character in our film is someone who celebrated that, who said, I have the body, it's almost like saying, you like sex, I am sex, take it or leave it.
औरत जो है ना रेनबो की तरह होती है, जितने रंग उतने रूप.
One more thing, when we see Nasir Saab, he exemplifies, he personifies lust. The way he is and the way his entire body language is, and to see him doing all those things is fantastic as well. A guy in his 60s and celebrating his himself
Manhood.
as an actor.
Yeah,
I would say as an actor,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
just getting into the character I think it requires guts as well.
No, but I think, I've seen Nasir Saab on stage. We've seen him in films all the time. He is the kind of person who can make you believe that he's lusting after a non-existent woman. I've seen a play where he's done that. There is no woman on stage with him, but you actually see the lust in his eyes. So he can make you believe in anything. That's the power of Nasiruddin Shah. And after a point, I was like, but he is tapkoing lust.
Yeah.
That is unbelievable.
Just heard a dialogue promo and it was something, in fact, left, right, and center. In fact, he was saying, so it was the way
Yeah,
he was
he's
saying.
just incredible, and God bless him with great health, so he can continue to do this forever.
Fantastic.
पब्लिक देखती है दुकान नहीं, और वैसे भी जब शराफत के कपड़े उतरते हैं सबसे ज्यादा मजा शरीफों को ही आता है.
So thank you very much for being on Bollywood Hungama. All the best wishes for your
Pleasure as
performance
always.
today on this music launch
Thank
and
you.
for the film, and looking forward to more awards and rewards for you. Now it'll be tough कि No One Killed Jessica के लिए आपको मिलेगा कि इसके लिए मिलेगा आपको. All the best wishes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.